welcome to financialexpress.com news updates on railways. Today we are taking you for an exclusive preview of what Indian Railways new modular luxury, executive class and general class car coaches are going to look like. We are in the general chair car of this modular coach. I'm sitting over here in that two-seat configuration, and as you can see, there is a tray that I can keep. This is very similar to what is already there in Shatabdis. I have leg rest with me, and there is a bottle holder over here with which I can keep my bottles, and any magazine or any other luggage that you want to keep can be kept over here. What is great in this particular coach is, and which is something which is different about this particular train, is that you have LCD screens for entertainment. Apart from this, Railway is also going to display passenger related information and safety instructions. To give the entire coach an airline like feel, what Railways has done is it has added a reading light on top. If you press this, then the attendant automatically comes to your seat. This is very similar to a feature that you normally see in airlines. We're sitting in the executive class car of this new type of train, and as you can see, some of the features are very similar to the general class that we have already shown you. There is an LCD screen for your entertainment and passenger information, a tray to keep your food, a bottle holder, and a rack to keep your magazines. But what adds to the comfort of the passenger in this particular class of executive chair cars is that you can very easily enhance your leg comfort. You can also recline. So the seats are very comfortable. The fact that you can recline, so reclining is also available in the general class, but this additional leg support gives the overall package a very airline-like feel. There is enough leg room, and I think it's a great thing that journeys are going to get much more comfortable.
We take a look at the interior of this executive chair car. As you can see, this is a 2x2 pattern as compared to the 3x2 pattern in the other coach. This 2x2 pattern gives a lot of leg room, lot of space for the passengers. If you come to the central area, you will look that there is a central table, and this area where there is a common area where both the passengers from both the sides can face each other. However, there is one drawback: these passengers in this side will not get the facility of a LED TV. However, the entire train is very nicely packaged. You can see the lighting is very good. Entire area, there is no darkened area as such. If you look at the top part, you will see there's a lot of luggage space, ample place to keep a lot of your luggages here. Passengers will not find it difficult.
We are in the passageway of this new coach, and I'm standing next to the door. This is a new type of door that Indian Railways is looking to introduce. It is automatic in nature, similar to what you have in your metro. The control of these doors lies with the guard, which means that you cannot open it at your will, and that really adds to passenger safety. I think it's a great step that Railways has taken, given that people can sometimes open the door even when the train is moving at a fast speed, and this will really help prevent a lot of accidents.
We are in the pantry area of this advanced version of the Shatabdi Express. So let us look at how the pantry area is put into a single coach in this advanced version. So if you look at the top portion, you have the heating chamber where food can be kept hot, and there are trays associated with each and every chambers, and food can be kept and served hot to the passengers. So now if you come down, you will see a cooling chamber where perishable items can be kept. There are two chambers out here, a larger one and a smaller one, so that perishable items can be kept. And if you come down, you will see a freezer out here where aerated drinks and water can be kept out here, and so that they don't get spoiled and can be served as chilled to the passengers. If you come on the right hand side, you will find a hot water boiler out here. This boiler will supply hot water to the passengers. If you want tea, coffee, normal hot water, you'll get it from this chamber. If you come to the right hand side, you'll find a small container where soup can be served hot to the passengers. This is a special addition to this. This is not there in other Shatabdi Express. All in all, this pantry area looks a nicely, neatly packaged one. Take a look at the bathroom of this new train. So let us go inside and see. So if you come inside, you will see that it's a very nicely, neatly packaged bathroom. It is an Indian seat there, and if you look at the left, you will find a small basin and a soap dispenser and an area where tissue can be dispensed. There's a big mirror, and entirely this train has a bio vacuum toilet. So railways has kept this in mind, that so that the tracks are neat and clean.
These coaches may be attached to Gatiman or Shatabdi Express trains or may even ply as an independent train. That's something that we don't know as of now. But they are a definite step towards better short distance rail travel in India.